part of your present.
Jimmy, wait a little longer.
No, I really appreciate all you've done and all the years you've been so kind. I was just saying that I worked for my other boss for 18 years. It took him 17 years to say something nice. And I've never felt that way here. And from day one, Nancy was always very kind and showed me the ropes.
I'm videotaping.
Complimented me every day, and I really appreciate it. So, and all of you, you've all been kind and supportive when I needed it, when my brother and sister died. And, you've all been just that way.
When you want those, I'm supportive.
Huh?
When you want me,
Yeah. Okay. That happened last week.
it did.
Well, thank you. Thank you. We really appreciated you too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it. I love you all.
John.